Hi, and welcome to a sample presentation to help your trainees learn about common workplace risks from extreme weather. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, tornadoes, forest fires, earthquakes, heat waves, and blizzards pose significant challenges to workplace safety and health. These natural disasters not only disrupt operations but can also endanger employees, equipment, and facilities. Being proactive and prepared is key to minimizing risks and ensuring worker well-being during such events. Let's consider three ways: physical hazards, health hazards, and mental and emotional hazards. Physical hazards, such as hurricanes and tornadoes, can cause structural damage, falling debris, and flooding, increasing risks of injury. Earthquakes may collapse buildings and create hazardous conditions like gas leaks or fires. Blizzards can lead to icy surfaces, making slips, trips, and falls more likely. Health risks. Heat waves can cause dehydration, heat exhaustion, or heat stroke, especially for outdoor workers. Forest fires introduce poor air quality and respiratory issues due to smoke inhalation. Prolonged cold exposure during blizzards can lead to frostbite or hypothermia. Mental and emotional stress. Employees may experience heightened stress or anxiety during extreme weather events, impacting decision-making and productivity. Let's look at a few real-world examples. Hurricanes. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 devastated the Gulf Coast, destroying infrastructure and workplaces. Many employees in essential services, such as healthcare and emergency response, faced hazardous conditions, including exposure to floodwaters contaminated with sewage and chemicals. The disaster underscored the importance of robust evacuation plans and training for high-risk industries. Tornadoes. The Joplin, Missouri tornado in 2011, an EF5 tornado, leveled much of Joplin, including businesses like the local hospital. Employees in retail and manufacturing faced building collapses and injury from flying debris. Companies with tornado shelters and practiced emergency drills reported fewer injuries and fatalities among employees. Forest fires. The Camp Fire, California 2018, destroyed the town of Paradise, California, including many workplaces. Workers faced evacuation challenges, smoke inhalation, and loss of livelihoods. Businesses with clear evacuation plans and air filtration systems were better equipped to protect their employees. Earthquakes. The Northridge earthquake in California in 1994 was a 6.7 magnitude earthquake that caused widespread structural damage, injuries, and fatalities. Many businesses, particularly those in manufacturing, saw equipment failures and hazardous materials spills. Earthquake-resistant building designs and secure storage for hazardous materials proved critical for workplace safety. Heat wave. The European heat wave 2003 caused over 70,000 deaths across Europe, with outdoor workers, like those in agriculture and construction, being most affected. Heat stress and dehydration were prevalent. Policies mandating rest breaks, hydration, and adjusted working hours during extreme heat were highlighted as vital. Blizzards. The blizzard of 1978 in the northeast part of the United States of America paralyzed the Northeast, stranding employees at workplaces and cutting off power and heat in many locations. Workers without proper emergency supplies faced hypothermia risks. Employers learned the importance of ensuring emergency kits and contingency plans for prolonged disruptions. How employers can prepare. First, develop a comprehensive emergency plan. Create evacuation and shelter-in-place protocols tailored to specific weather risks. Design a team to monitor weather updates and communicate timely information to employees. Next, provide training and resources. Educate workers on safety practices for various weather conditions. Ensure they can access emergency supplies like first aid kits, flashlights, water, and protective gear. Maintain safe work environments. Inspect and secure structures. machinery, and hazardous materials. Invest in backup systems for power and communication to maintain operations during outages. Promote health and well-being. Offer resources for physical and mental health support, including counseling and stress management programs. Encourage hydration and regular breaks during extreme heat or cold. So think about what specific safeguards you have in place in your workplace. This presentation has provided many ideas and examples and hopefully will guide you in creating an atmosphere and program where you work that will have you be the best prepared. If you're not yet subscribed to the Safety Training Net, a monthly newsletter filled with valuable training resources that will save you time as well as help you to become a better safety trainer, visit the link showed or scan the QR code and sign up today. Thank you for listening.